Ready to move your USDT from the Bitget exchange and unleash it in the dynamic world of Solana with your Phantom wallet? First, fire up your Bitget app or head to the website and log in. Once you're in, find the Assets or Wallet section, usually located at the bottom or top of your screen. Tap it. Now, spot the Withdraw button, give it a tap. You'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies. Select USDT on the withdrawal page. You'll see fields for the withdrawal address, the network, and the amount. Next, pull out your phone to open Phantom Wallet on your device. If you do not already have it, download Phantom Wallet from your App Store and create your wallet in Phantom. Locate your wallet address. It's usually a string of letters and numbers at the top of your wallet display. Tap it to copy the address to your clipboard. Back in Bitget, carefully paste the Phantom Wallet address into the withdrawal address field. This is crucial. Then, select the Solana network. Double-check you choose the Solana network to avoid the loss of your funds. Remember that failing to choose the right network could mean losing your USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to your Phantom wallet. Keep in mind any minimum withdrawal amount and withdrawal fees. Hit that withdraw button. Bitget will now prompt you for security verification. This might involve entering codes sent to your email or phone. Complete these steps carefully. This safeguard is to protect your funds. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. Head over to your Phantom wallet. It might take a few minutes, but soon you'll see your USDT safely nestled within your Phantom wallet. Ready to be used in the Solana ecosystem. You have successfully transferred USDT from Bitget to Phantom.